We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. This is a great example of the customised approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.